August 20th, 1938. Hampstead Heath, North London. Stanley Rouse stands at the deep end watching 650,000 gallons catch morning sun. The new Parliament Hill Lido stretches 200 feet. Blue glazed brickwork, ornamental cascade, Art Deco changing rooms flanking both sides, £34,000, more than double what most councils spend on housing blocks. Herbert Morrison promised to make London a city of Lidos, bring the seaside to the working classes, sunlight, clean water, mixed bathing for sixpence. This is his flagship, the most sophisticated open-air pool Britain has ever built. Roos declares it open, not Tyrone Power, despite what newspapers will claim. Stanley Rouse, Football Association Secretary, sport for the people. Below the pool deck, 2 duplicate pumps begin work. 15 horsepower motors, flexible couplings, 5 hours to filter the entire pool, every drop through horizontal pressure filters, 8 feet diameter, 28 feet long. The wedding cake cascade tumbles, reoxygenating, aerating, proof the system works. The pumps will run every day for 88 years. Permuted Venturi proportioning apparatus, sulfate of alumina, chemical dosage in thousands of grains per hour. Control panel in polished brass and bakelite. Filtration speed, 275 gallons per square foot per hour. The mathematics work perfectly. Architects Robotham and Smithson designed for permanence. Patterned brick that won't frost crack. Metal windows built to last. U-shaped layout protecting swimmers from wind. This wasn't just a pool. This was infrastructure built to outlive its creators. First summer, 2,000 bathers daily. 5-meter diving board. Mixed bathing 4 days weekly. Free swimming before 9:30 every morning. A letter to the local paper complains about young people showing nude bodies in all sorts of postures. Victorian outrage meets modern freedom. The pumps don't care. They filter. Day after day. September 1939. War. The Lido stays open. London needs normalcy. The pumps run through air raids, rationing, the Blitz. Post-war attendance explodes. 100,000 visits per season. Children play in cascade spray. The filtration cycle continues uninterrupted, then decline. 1960s package holidays to Spain. Indoor heated pools everywhere. Why freeze when you can swim in comfort? By the 1970s, Lidos close across Britain. Of 70 Greater London outdoor pools in 1950, most are demolished. Parliament Hill survives. Barely. 1976. A murder on site. Diving boards gradually removed. Safety concerns. The last one gone by 2003. But the pumps still run. The cascade still aerates. The GLC debates closure. Desperate plans, wave machines, artificial islands, roof covers. 1986, only 12,000 visitors. The numbers scream death. The infrastructure tells different stories. 86 years running, original pressure filters, original cascade, original chemical systems from 1938. Each government handover threatens closure. 1986. London Residuary Body. 1989. Corporation of London. January 1999. Grade 2. Listing Historic England recognizes Parliament Hill as the finest urban Lido from the interwar period. Protection. Funding. Recognition. This is heritage, not just recreation. The layout hasn't changed since 1938. Symmetrical changing rooms, sun terraces, the modern cafe. But 67 years demands attention. 2004, 2.8 million pounds refurbishment, stainless steel pool lining, first for British outdoor pools, 2 mm dimpled surface, no more constant grouting, complete filtration overhaul, modern pumps, updated dosing, but identical principle, 5-hour cycles through pressure filters and chemicals. The 1938 Cascade fountain stays, restored, not replaced. Still doing the job Robotham specified. Upgrade intelligently. Replace when essential. Preserve what works. The opposite of planned obsolescence. Free morning swimming ends. £2 entry fee. Economics trump tradition. 2014. Cafe opens to the Heath. Sauna installed. Year-round operation transforms the business. Ice swimming becomes fashionable today. March 2026, 7 a.m. opening. Same unheated water. 8 degrees Celsius in winter, 20 in summer. No compromises. Regular swimmers arrive in darkness. They know the ritual. Strip fast, straight into water that stops breath. Modern pumps, updated controls. But the same 1938 process from Baths and Bath Engineering magazine. 5 hours, 650,000 gallons. Grade 2 protects architecture. Stainless steel protects structure. But continuous use protects everything. 88 years without skipping a season. Abandonment kills infrastructure. The 1970s closures weren't from age. They died from disuse, from councils abandoning commitment. Parliament Hill survived because people refused surrender. Swimming associations, user groups, lobbying, protesting, fundraising, council meetings filled with evidence. They understood. Quality infrastructure outlasts generations with proper maintenance. The 1938 motors couldn't run forever. But the system they powered, the filtration philosophy, hydraulic design, cascade aeration, that runs indefinitely with intelligent upgrades, 9 p.m. closure, lifeguards secure the facility. The pumps keep working, filtration doesn't stop. The cascade tumbles through darkness. 7 a.m., swimmers return. 32,170 days. Continuous operation. Most modern infrastructure won't see 32 years. Planned obsolescence would demand 3 rebuilds by now. But 1938 engineering plays different rules. Build right, build strong, maintain properly. The pumps run tomorrow, next year. With stewardship, they'll run in 2013-8. 200 years of service. Parliament Hill proves infrastructure built for permanence achieves it. Maintenance costs less than replacement. Heritage value compounds over decades. The water flows. The cascade tumbles. Chlorine doses. Swimmers come. Some things, built right, never stop working.